Good morning, my dear second class children. How are you, ma? Are you reading? Are you reading the textbooks? Are you reading CW? Children, have you taken your breakfast? Yes. Did you drink milk? Yes, children. Milk is a complete food. Definitely you should drink morning and before going to bed. Okay. Milk keeps your body very fit and healthy. Okay, today the topic is how to keep our body parts healthy. Okay, let us start. Yes, what is the name of lesson number 5? Our body. Our body is a wonderful mission, amazing mission. You know that our body can do everything than the other missions. Our body has many parts. Yes, children, our body has many parts including bones and muscles, blood, okay, many more parts. Some parts are external, some are internal, okay. Our body is made up of many parts, some internal organs, some external organs. What are internal organs? What are external organs and what are internal organs? External organs which we can see outside of the body. Organs which are present outside of the body are called external organs. Okay, can you see my heart? No. Can you see my lungs? No. These are inside our body. Can you see my eyes? Yes. Can you see my nose? Yes. Can you see my hands? Yes. These are external organs. These are present outside of the body. That's why such organs are called external organs. Is it clear? Yes. Internal organs means internal. Can you see my brain? No. Yes, I too can't see your brain and your heart and your lungs. Why? Because these are present inside our body. So organs which are present inside our body are called internal organs. What are the internal organs? Brain, heart and two lungs here, okay, and kidneys and stomach. These are all the internal organs. They are present inside of our body. Is it clear? So our body is made up of many external organs and internal organs. Okay now. So our body is made up of bones and muscles. No children. How many bones are there in our body? 206 bones in our body. Bones are very hard. Hard parts are called bones. Okay, and smooth and fleshy parts are called muscles. How many muscles are there in our bodies? More than 600 muscles in our body. Muscles help to walk. Muscles help to smile. Okay, muscles helps to bend. Okay, so many activities we can do with the help of muscles. We can lift heavy bags. We can smile. We can knit. Okay, and we can bend. We can move. All these possible because of the muscles. So bones and muscles. Okay, now these hard structures are called bones. There are 206 bones in our body. Okay, these fleshy parts are called muscles. These are smooth and fleshy parts attached to the hard part, that is called bones. So muscles and bones work together with coordination. Then only we can run, we can bend, we can stretch our body. All these possible because of the bones and muscles. Okay, so listen ma, yesterday what did I teach you day before yesterday about bones and muscles. Okay, so we have discussed already internal organs. What is the main function of heart? Heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, and lungs help them to breathe. Lungs help them to breathe. Yesterday we discussed some internal organs, no children. Internal organs means heart, lungs and stomach. Okay, and brain. Brain help us to think and remember and learning. Okay now. So brain is responsible for thinking, learning, memory, logic and so on. Okay, without brain we can't do anything. All sense organs are connected to the a brain only. Okay, now we can see, we can hear, we can smell, we can taste. All these possible because of the brain. Brain is very important part of our body. Brain controls all other actions of the body. Okay na, brain is very important part of our body. Brain is works like a super computer, wonderful computer. Okay na, we store lot of memory in our brain. Okay children, already know that. Who is the hero of Sarler movie? Who is the hero of yes, Bahubali? All these messages are already stored in the brain. Whenever we need, we recall all those things, no children? Yes. Okay, we can recall when we need. Okay na? So brain is responsible for memory, thoughts, thinking, learning, logic. Okay, all these possible because of the brain. Lungs help them to. Lungs helps to. Yes, lungs help us to breathe. Okay, heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Stomach helps us to digest the food. These are all the internal organs and functions. Okay, now how should keep? Now we should discuss about the how should we keep our body parts fit and healthy. How should keep your bones and muscles healthy, amma? By doing exercises. By doing exercises. Okay, now so listen. Yes, okay. How should keep your bones and muscles healthy? How can you keep your bones and muscles healthy? By doing proper exercises. Okay, exercises, outdoor games, and playing more games, and also take good food, proper food, and take rest. Okay, na? So listen, ma. For strong bones and for strong muscles, we should do exercises. What type of exercise we have to do? Okay, mainly running. Okay, mainly running, jogging. Okay, and outdoor games. What are the outdoor games? Outside of the home. Okay, outdoor games means if you do more outdoor games, if you play more outdoor games, okay, our body very strong. Okay, bones and muscles also very fit and healthy and strong. If you do more physical work, if you play more outdoor game, okay, your body may fit and healthy. Okay na? So for by doing lot of exercises, we should keep our body very fit and healthy. What are the outdoor games, amma? Tennis, okay, you know well, cricket and football. Okay, so football, tennis, cricket, okay, all these are all the outdoor games. Outdoor games. And also yes, sunlight is good for bones and muscles, amma. If you play under the sun, okay, your body also produce vitamin D. Okay na? So don't forget it. Before yes, 8 o'clock you should play under the sun, and after evening, after 5 o'clock you should play under the sun. Okay children, don't forget it. You have to play outdoor games just in front of your house. Okay, and you have to do more physical work. Physical work means cycling is a good exercise. Will you do? Yes. Cycling and brisk walk means fast walking, running, jogging, yoga. These are all the yes exercises. Okay, na, which help the bones and muscles very fit and healthy. Okay, will you do, children? Will you play outside games? Yes. And also beside these, our body also need proper food. Proper food. Okay na, and proper food means eat clean food, good food, and cooked food. Children, don't eat outside food, amma. Okay, if you eat good and healthy food, your bones and muscles also may strong. Don't forget it. Eat meat and chicken and eggs, amma. These are all non-vegetarian food. If you eat more non-vegetarian food, your bones and muscles may very strong. Okay na? And they may help us to keep our body very fit and healthy. Okay na? And yoga, cycling, walking, skipping. Okay, cycling and skipping and running. These are also good exercises, amma. Don't forget it. You have to do, play all these. Okay, will you do? Yes. My children are very smart, very intelligent. Whatever teachers are saying, definitely my children are follow. Will you follow me? Yes. Okay na, and also rest. Okay, beside these, our body also need rest, amma. Okay na. Every day you have to sleep at least 9 or 10 hours. Okay, rest, taking rest. Okay na, sleep is the best form of rest. Okay na, do exercises and take proper food. Okay na, play outdoor games. Okay na, and take rest. Okay, sleep is the best form of rest. At least 8 or 9 hours you must sleep. Okay na. Okay, and also yes, okay, rest is also very important. Yes, very important for growth, development and good health, amma. Okay, sleep is the best form of rest. That's why at least you should sleep 8 or 9 hours every day. This is the good time, no children? Yes, yes, more time you spend at home. After work you should take rest. Okay na, rest is the, yes, sleep is the best form of rest. Take rest. Okay, do exercise and take proper food and take rest. Okay children, and sleep is the best form of rest. Okay na, and yes, eat. Okay, sleep also. Okay, at least you should sleep 8 or 9 hours every day. Don't forget it, amma. Okay na, yes, it is important, very important for the proper functioning of the brain. Okay children, don't forget it. Okay, yes, will you do all? Yes. Okay, now we will discuss about the posture. What is meant by posture? The position of our body while walking, sitting, okay, standing. Okay now, yes, that is called posture. Posture means position of the body when we stand. Okay, don't drop your shoulders while walking. Okay na, don't drop your shoulders while sitting. Okay na, and you have to maintain good posture. Okay na, so while sitting and while standing you have to maintain, okay, like this. Okay, yes. Okay, posture means the position of our body when we stand, sit or walk. That is called posture. I will show you some pictures. What is the good posture? Good posture keeps the body in good shape. Okay, and always maintain a proper posture. Okay, while you sit, walk or stand. Okay children, and poor posture can cause permanent damage to the bones and muscles. I will show you pictures. Okay, which is the correct posture, you only tell. Okay children, yes, I will show the picture. See here, yes. So see, okay, yes, okay, which is the correct posture from these two pictures? This is the correct posture. Is it or is it, amma? Is it correct posture? Yes, this is the correct posture. See, while standing you should stand erect. See here, okay, always you should maintain, yes, like this. Okay, now position of your body when we stand, yes, sit or walk are called the postures. Okay, what is the right posture from these two pictures? See here, here he is bending. Here also he drops his shoulder. Okay, now don't drop your shoulders, amma. Always stand straight. Stand straight. These two postures are correct. See here, he is writing something. Yes. Okay, yes. He drops his shoulder. He drops his shoulder. This is not correct posture. This is the correct posture. Okay, always yes. Okay, wherever you sit, you have to sit erect. Okay, na? This is the good posture. And see here, he drops his shoulders here. This is the good posture. He is bending his body. Okay, this is not correct posture. Okay na. So this is the correct posture. Okay na. So you too follow, ma. Okay na. You too follow. Okay, wherever you are, wherever you walk, wherever you stand, always you should maintain good posture. The position of the body when we sit or walk or stand, that is called posture. Okay na. Good posture keep the body in good shape. Okay na, will you do? Okay, wherever you sit, you have to sit straight. Okay, see here, this is the good posture. Yes, this is the good posture. Okay, na, bad posture leads to back pain, amma. Don't bend your body. Don't bend your body while sitting or while standing. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Okay children, will you do? Okay. Okay, for yes, for bones and muscles, what should you do? What should you do? For healthy bones and for healthy muscles, what can you do? you can do more exercises. Okay, and at least you have to take a rest 8 or 9 hours, and you have to take proper food, and you have to do exercises, and you have to play outdoor games like tennis and football and cricket, basketball, like that. Okay, will you do? And cycling and yes, skipping also very good for good exercises, amma. Okay na, and also take a good food and take rest, and yes, play outdoor games. Mainly sunlight is good for our strong bones and muscles. Okay na, you have to play under the sun. Okay, before morning, before 9 o'clock, after evening, after 5 o'clock, you have to play under the sun. Okay, will you do? Yes, children. Yes. Okay, children. Today you have to read the textbook. Okay, children. Okay, will you follow all these? Will you do exercises tomorrow onwards? Okay, get up early as possible, amma. Okay, get up early. Okay, and after brushing, okay, you have to drink lukewarm water, and after that you have to do exercises. Okay, children. After exercises, don't forget it. You have to take bath and take good food. Okay, and also take rest, amma, at least 8 or 9 hours. Okay, now sleep is the best form of rest. Sleep is the best form of rest. Then only your organs work function properly. Will you do all these? Yes. My children are very smart. Okay, children. Take care. Bye. Have a good day. Have a nice day.